We often imagine medieval peasants as poor, hungry, and helpless, scraping the soil for scraps of food. But what if I told you they were masters of the land, feeding entire villages using methods we've nearly forgotten? In the Middle Ages, land was everything. To the nobles, it meant power. To the peasants, it meant life. Their survival depended on one thing: understanding the rhythm of nature. Every seed, every rainstorm, every season meant the difference between feast and famine. The secret behind medieval farming was simple: rotation. Villages used what was called the three-field system. One field grew grains, another legumes like peas or beans, and the third was left to rest, what they called fallow. This rotation restored the soil naturally, centuries before chemical fertilizers existed. It wasn't luck, it was science by observation. A peasant never farmed alone. Fields were shared, plowed together, harvested together, and celebrated together. The community system meant that even the poorest had a share in the village's success. In a strange way, medieval farming was more sustainable and more equal than we might imagine. They used wooden plows, iron-tipped tools, and oxen instead of tractors. Yet, with careful timing and deep understanding of the seasons, they achieved impressive yields. They even practiced companion planting, pairing crops to protect against pests, something modern gardeners are only rediscovering today. Their diet was humble but hearty: bread, pottage, cheese, and whatever vegetables were in season. Meat was rare, yet people lived active lives, powered by grains and greens. The secret wasn't in luxury, it was in connection to the land. When we think of the Middle Ages, we imagine darkness, but in the soil, there was light. Their ancient ways remind us that sustainability isn't new. It's something we've forgotten. Maybe it's time we learn from them again.